Hello, my name is Harry Adel. You probably know me on the forums as Harry97. I've been using Meteor since 2017 and I got introduced to it at my very first development job here in Egypt, and I haven't stopped using it ever since. Now 3.0 is around the corner, which brings lots of positive aspects to the community. It aligns Meteor more with the Node.js, and it also lowers the barrier to entry for new developers. They don't have to learn about the fibers, features, and all that stuff anymore. It's just async await, which they are very used to. Um, Also, it lessens the gap between the latest Node version that's currently out and the one that Meteor is using. So we're going actually to have like quite a jump from 14 all the way to 20. Meteor 3.0 ships with Node.js 20, which is a great improvement. Personally, I've been updating an application at my company, and this whole transition of 3.0 actually helped us a lot, shedding lots of old baggage, legacy code. We also managed to update lots of npm and Meteor packages, which improved like the security and overall health of our application. So, given this experience, I would actually like encourage you guys to try the 3.0 update yourself, and most importantly, share your experience on the forums, because this is the best way to like learn and share knowledge and to ease the transition for others. And maybe along the way you find a couple of bugs that you fix, and others can actually like learn from your experience. So I can't wait to hear from you guys and read your posts online.